Okay, hello, this is my unboxing video of Unihertz Titan 2. Welcome everybody. I was wondering if I do it in Czech language or preferably in English, because who cares about motherfucking Czech, right? So let's get right into it. Yeah. So boxing is pretty nice. Yeah, I thought that maybe all these unboxing videos are without any music whatsoever. So let's make it with something to listen to. The boxing is pretty neat, I'd say. Sorry, I've watched some other unboxing videos. It's actually, you can probably tell by now, this is my first unboxing video, one of the first of review videos, because I'm a review enthusiast. So I would love to try someday. So this is my first time. Enough about me, or about the phone. Okay, we need to get rid of these as well. It's really big brick, so that's why it's so tough to get it out. Okay, we're in. The box with case, I believe, with the SIM removal pin, with some documentation. Socket Mix already told me that there is another big manual on the internet, so I guess I'm gonna dig into that. I'll probably just close this for now. Oh shit, never mind. Oh yeah, here it is. Woohoo. Oh yes, I was really worried that it might be real big, because you can see that next to my pretty huge OG Titan, it's like real slick small device. That's actually really appreciated. How to get into that? Oh shit. Oh. Okay, no warranty for me, that's for sure. Okay. Oh, this is so nice. This is so nice. And the clickiness. I've never been like original BlackBerry user. I've become one after BlackBerry have died. So I've used Key 2, and I love the phone because of the keyboard mostly, actually. And this feels pretty. The experience seems to be really close to the Key 2. Okay, that's really nice. Okay, maybe there's in the box there's also the European brick for charging, and of course USB-C port, USB-C cable. So let's switch it up. And that would be probably it, because the settings, the first settings, like quick step guide into the phone, is well documented. It's pretty straightforward. So I guess I'm gonna leave you guys with the logo of Uniberry logo, and yeah, and have a great one. Bye guys.